Do you own a weed eater that just won't crank? It might be your fuel filter line. What you want to do is take off the screw, the cap to the fuel tank, get your screwdriver, Phillips or flathead, and you want to stick in there, poke around, and what you're basically going to end up with most likely is this fuel filter right here. You see it's been eroded. What's going to happen is you're going to notice that the the fuel has slowly eroded your fuel line, and you're going to have to replace it. I've got a package here that comes in four different sizes of tubing. You're going to have to take off nearly the entire, take it apart, and take off all the covers just to get to the fuel tank, depending on what type of weed brand you have. But I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys can easily access that and pick up some spark plugs while you're at it. I left a link for you. Click when you see it. I am an Amazon affiliate and earn a small commission from the proceeds of the sales.